Types of traders. Based on my understanding, there are 9 types of traders. Let's go over each one and what they are known for. Firstly, we have day traders. Typically, day traders don't hold trades overnight. They prefer all of their activity to happen within the day. Then we have swing traders. Swing traders typically prioritize short to medium term gains over an extended time frame. Then we have scalp traders. Scalp traders love fast-paced moves. It isn't uncommon for a scalp trader to open and close a trade in a matter of minutes. Now for position traders. Position traders look for an extreme long-term setup. Then we have intraday traders. Intraday traders are very similar to day traders, but may use more technical analysis or indicators to place trades. Next is fundamental traders. Fundamental traders use fundamental analysis such as economic data to base their trades off of. Then we have technical traders. Technical traders only use technical analysis to base their trades off of. Then we have price action traders. Price action traders use pure data from the market to base their analysis and trades on. And last but certainly not least are hybrid traders, which is what I am. Hybrid traders mix characteristics from other types of traders, and thus we have a better chance of creating better analysis due to elements coming together. For example, I'm a mix between a scalp trader, a swing trader, a technical trader, and a price action trader. You won't see much information about hybrid traders anywhere on the internet because most people believe that you have to stick to one type or style of trading, but this is false. I am a hybrid trader that focuses on the psychology of the price action I see and then use technical analysis to back up my data. Then I typically try to scalp a trade, but it isn't uncommon for me to hold trades for long if I'm given the opportunity. You can be a hybrid trader as well, but before you figure out what type of trader you might be, you need to go to the next lesson where we discuss personality types. See you over there.